Hi, mathematicians. Welcome back to Math Workshop. Today we're working on Math Workshop number 7. In today's lesson, you are going to have an opportunity to solve addition problems with 2 and 3-digit numbers up to 400 by using different strategies. Some of these strategies will include breaking each number apart by place or adding on one number in parts. What your teachers are looking for you to do is to show your addition strategies using that place value more so. So here's our vocabulary wall. Here are some of the words that we've been using and that you can continue to use today. We have ones, tens, rounding, estimate, strategy, hundreds, addition. So our words for today are addition and strategy, because you'll be using different strategies that you know. And then I'm going to show you strategies, and then you're going to see examples, of strategies you can use. So now here's our math story. Nancy and Keith are both collecting stickers. Nancy has 72 stickers and Keith has 134 stickers. If they put their sticker collections together, how many stickers will there be in the combined collection? Okay, so when I see the number 72, I know that 72 has 7 tens and 2 ones. Okay, so I'm going to visualize that. And I also see the number 134 inside of this word problem. So that also tells me I'm going to be working with 100, 3 tens, and 4 ones. And then the question looks like it's asking for us to combine them, which means it comes together, which means it must be adding it together. Okay, so I'm just visualizing what type of math I'm going to be doing. I'm visualizing the numbers as hundreds, tens, and ones. And we know that 100 is the same as 10 tens. So now, look at that. When I think of it as strips and singles, stickers, I know that those numbers represent for Nancy 7 tens and 2 ones. And then for Keith, that 100, 3 tens, and 4 ones. When I combine it, which means I'm adding it together, that gives me 206, which is down here. How did I get that other 100? Okay, so the 7 inside of the 72 and the 3 inside of 134. What happened? We know that 7 plus 3, right? 7 tens plus 3 tens is 10 tens. We know that 10 tens equals 100. So as we're talking through it, in that problem, seeing that there were 7 tens and 2 ones, right? But right now let's focus on the tens because we got 100 from those. So 7 tens is being added to that 100 and that 3 tens. So there was already 100 there. That 100 is the same as 10 tens. So there was already a group of 10 tens. And now we have 7 tens and 3 tens, which makes another group of 10 tens. So that 100 is 10 tens. And the 7 tens and the 3 tens is 10 tens. Okay. 20 tens, that gives me 200. That's why our picture has 200s. And then for my ones, I have 4 ones and 2 ones. I didn't have to regroup there. So I just write my 6 ones in the ones place. If you need more help understanding how we use place value there to add, you can watch this video in the link, example of adding by place. This blue link at the bottom. Okay, so remember, inside of 100, there are 10 tens. After you fill one sheet of stickers, which is 10 strips of 10, that sheet is full, that sheet gets placed to the side. Now that 7 tens and that 3 tens makes another sheet of 10 tens. And that's how we got our 200. So now, what is another way we can solve this word problem below? Jung collects sports stickers. Okay. In her sticker box, she has 36 soccer stickers. She also has 44 tennis stickers. How many soccer and tennis stickers does Jung have in all? Think about it. Talk it over with a partner or a family member. Using that strategy, knowing what we know about tens, ones, and what makes 100, maybe you can use a different strategy. Because we don't have to make a new 100, a new denomination of another 100. Maybe you'll use a number line. Maybe you'll use one of our number talk strategies, compensation, maybe. Maybe you'll use adding up by place value, adding up in chunks. What will you use to solve this? We already know that it's an addition problem because they're looking for how many in all, which means the total amount is what we're looking for. Okay, they told me I have 36 and 44. Okay, let's see what some other third graders decided to do. So they decided to use number lines. You can do this marked up with all of the notches, or you can gauge it knowing where these numbers fall in between 0 and 100, or in between the tens that they fall in. So this number line is marked by tens from 0 to 100. This third grader, or this mathematician, decided to start at 36, just mark it. He went to that friendly number, the nearest 10. So there he is rounding. He went up to the nearest 10. He said, I'm only 4 away, so that's not far. So now I got to 40, only adding 4. And now I'm going to go 40 more and do a big hop so that I could end up at 80. I went 4 tens up to get to 80. 4 tens and 4 ones. Oh, he ended up at 80. Down here, she did the same thing. She just drew a number line without her notches, knowing that she had to add 44. Good job if you're thinking that. Good job if you use some of those strategies that you've been using in math for CGI, number talks, and math workshop. So your next steps. I know you've been working very hard to complete the Savas assignments. Keep up the good work, even if you're trying, and of course it's loading. It does take a while to load. So thank you for your patience, and good job those who keep trying until it does work after a few attempts. There will be an assignment there where you're going to get to practice your strategies for solving addition problems. It's going to involve tens and ones and even hundreds. So remember to go back to these slides and watch these slides anytime you need it. All right, mathematicians, until next time, bye.